and welcome back to AmandaMuse. So today I'm going to be taking you through a little mini declutter, situation that I'm doing right now. It's all of my clothes. I need to turn over all my seasonal clothes. I've done it for the kids, so I can show you some of the after of what's like the result of having gone through the kids' clothing. And then I have saved the biggest work. I don't know what happened, but I seem to have acquired a ton of clothing over this winter, and I need to get rid of it. And there's also a bunch of summer clothing that I have in my drawers, but like I'm not feeling anymore. Shirts, t-shirts can get old, and you keep like bypassing them as you're getting your clothes in the morning. So I've got a lot of that going on. Now, if you're new, I'm Amanda and I make videos here on YouTube all about living your best life as a mom and as a human. So I hope you join the little, my channel over here. Join the situation. Hit subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get notified when I put out new videos. Now, for those of you who love KonMari method, sparking joy, decluttering, all of that, this is kind of like my version of it. I am a rule follower, but to a certain point. And I do find it hard to do, the full declutter like Marie Kondo does. But this is how I like to declutter seasonally. And any of the clothes that I've decided just don't work but are still in good shape, I am going to be donating to my local Value Village. I've always done it that way. It's great. I like to shop at Value Village and I also like to donate there. Who doesn't love a good before and after? Am I right? All right, this is happening. I'm decluttering. Seasonal crossover thing happening over there. I have a bunch of shit I need to get rid of. Stuff that my giant muscular thighs no longer fit into. Boom! Gains, which is exciting. I'm not as lean. I'm getting more muscle definition, and so my pants don't fit. Who knew? And I also have a bunch of summer clothes I want to switch over, but also there are summer clothes that I have from last year that I just don't like anymore. So I want to get rid of those. And by get rid, I mean I will be donating all of the clothes that I can donate, because you can't donate things like socks and old pajamas, like that's gross. But things I think can still get wear, I will donate. So that's what I'm doing. Dean's cooking dinner. It's a fabulous day. I've got my podcast going right now, currently listening to Dax Shepard. All right, let the decluttering begin. Sitting on the bed. Of course it's unmade, because why would I possibly make the bed before I filmed a video? But here's the thing, when it comes to decluttering and cleaning in general, I need to have the feeling to do it. And that means that I don't stop, because if I think about doing something else, I will do something else, because I hate cleaning. This is what is happening on the top of our dresser. Mainly my stuff. Some of that's Dean's. But because I can't, what? I don't need these big wool socks right now. You know what I mean? Everything is busting out the seams. Check it. Ugh, can't even open it. Can't even open it. I'm not wearing any of this. All I need is summer clothes, workout clothes, pajamas, socks, underwear, all those things. My shirts, a couple of things to stay warm when it's cool, like sweatshirts and things like that. But not very much, because you don't tend to wear a bunch of that in the summer. Also brought this up from downstairs, and this would be summer clothes from last year. So this is clean clothes to put away. I'm gonna go through this stuff and decide what I'm gonna keep and what I'm not going to keep, what fits that kind of stuff, and go from there. All right, we are tackling this. I've got my podcast going. I've tried to do this for 2 days, hence all the costume changes. But now's the time. Kids are out. I literally have to do this today because I'm leaving tomorrow on a little trip. We've got this, guys. We've got this. Okay, we're even in our workout wear, because that's what you do when you're about to take on a giant task. Okay, here's the before. Okay, so we've got mess. That's Dean's side. I'm not going to do that, but I'm doing mine. And I have these 2 bins here. Lots of stuff. That's donate pile, and this is just clean clothes. Let's do it. So my plan is all the things I'm gonna keep, I'm gonna kind of put out here. Donate's gonna go on the floor in that bag, and that's just about it. Also, anything for winter, I gotta move aside. So seasonal stuff over there, that kind of thing. So far I'm doing all summer because this is clothes I've been wearing. All right, so the situation with the closet is it's a very tiny, hold on, my podcast is going off in my ear. It's a very tiny closet. So I actually don't have much in here to begin with. It's mostly just dresses, blazers, work things, a big cozy sweater, And that's about it. A couple house coats and things, but I just don't have very much. So I didn't have to declutter excessively because, let's be honest, most of it was from last summer. Here I have the donate pile. Shirts and clothes and things that just don't fit for myself and for the kids. This is a garbage pile. This was just a bunch of stuff that was actually sitting in the bottom of my closet, so now that's lovely because it's empty. In terms of the clothing, I have privacy, underwear, socks, and then in here I've got like shirts and pajamas and swimsuits and bras, which apparently I have a ton of. Look at this. Even this. I feel like I might have too much going on, but I do like sweatshirts in the summer. So anyway, kept those out. Got all my workout clothes, a couple of my shorts and skirts and things like that. And then down here, I have all of my pants and my denim clothing. This is what is going to go into storage downstairs. I'm leaving this out. I'm going on a trip tomorrow, so this is for packing. But these are all like sweaters and definitely seasonal wear that I shouldn't keep up here. And just look how much clothing that is. That was sitting in all of those drawers, taking up a ton of space. And I don't have a need for them until like September, so away they go. I love this. This is a Halloween costume. And now I'm just putting my darling husband's clothes away because I am an awesome wife. So I'm not decluttering Dean's things, but I'm definitely putting them away nicely because I just can't not do it. Do you know what I mean? So I'm doing it. And he did have a lot of winter wear, so you know what? I did it for him. I just took it out for him and we're done. And there you go. Storage, garbage, donation, and a very nice and tidy room. We're good to go. All right, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this declutter. I am feeling so much better now that it's all done. I have clothes in my drawer that I know I'm going to wear, and also it's gonna keep laundry down to a minimum because don't you find when you have more clothes, there seems to be more laundry. So I'm all about reducing that laundry life. So if you're new, please subscribe. I would love it if you'd stick around. Hit the bell so you get notified when I have new videos come out. Follow me on all of my socials. Links are below because I do have a podcast that's going to be launching very, very soon. All the details are going to be below. Keep it real, friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.